This is the JBL GO 2 Plus, which is mainly known as the larger version of the JBL GO 2. Welcome to Tech Boost, my name is Jordi and today we are going to unbox this JBL speaker to see if it's really an improvement over the JBL GO 2. The JBL GO 2 was the #1 best-selling Bluetooth speaker in 2018, according to the sticker on the packaging. Before we start this unboxing, I would like to ask you to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for notifications so you don't miss any upcoming videos. This time the speaker does not come in a plastic packaging, so it already looks a lot more luxurious, and I immediately feel that the speaker is heavier than a normal JBL GO 2. In the box we find a micro USB cable, a few manuals and of course the JBL GO 2 Plus. The first impression is that the speaker feels very solid and, as I said before, it's heavier. Because of the larger size, you have more grip on the speaker and it also feels a lot more durable. The connections are the same as with the normal JBL GO 2. Under the cover you will find a micro USB connection and an audio jack connection. In addition, the JBL GO 2 Plus has the following specifications that are hardly different from the JBL GO 2. But if the specifications are hardly any better, is it worth it switching from the JBL GO 2 to the JBL GO 2 Plus? Well, the JBL GO 2 is a lot smaller than the JBL GO 2 Plus and has the same connections and almost the same specifications. The difference is mainly in the size of the speaker and the Bluetooth version. The JBL GO 2 has Bluetooth 4.1 and the JBL GO 2 Plus has Bluetooth 4.2. There's not much difference here either, but with phone calls there is more distortion with the JBL GO 2 speaker. It is possible that this has something to do with Bluetooth 4.1. In addition, Bluetooth 4.2 is more energy efficient and there is an improvement in security. But you probably won't notice that with the speaker. According to online specifications, both versions have a 3W RMS speaker in it. But in the manuals, the JBL GO 2 has a 3.1W RMS speaker and the JBL GO 2 Plus a 3W RMS speaker. So this is pretty weird since you would expect it the other way around. JBL still indicates that the JBL GO 2 Plus gives a fuller sound because it's bigger. In the next video clip you will hear a sound test of both speakers at 100% volume. They are at the same distance and the sound is recorded with Audio-Technica AT2020. I advise you to listen to the sound test with headphones. Which one do you think sounds better? Let me know in the poll on the top right. Both JBL speakers also have a built-in microphone that you can use to make a phone call. This is the audio from the microphone of both speakers. This is the microphone of the JBL GO 2 Plus. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. This is the microphone of the JBL GO 2. If you are already subscribed to my channel, leave a like as well. JBL has launched a good solid speaker with the JBL GO 2 Plus. And the larger size is really an advantage in my opinion. In addition, it features Bluetooth version 4.2, which has some minor improvements based on the speaker. But still, I don't think it's immediately worth it to sell your current JBL GO 2 and buying the JBL GO 2 Plus. If you don't have a speaker yet and you are looking for a good and compact one, I would definitely recommend the JBL GO 2 Plus. For around $30 to $40, you have a newer version JBL speaker and a fuller sound. Let me know in the comments whether you have a JBL GO 2 or a JBL GO 2 Plus, or maybe you are going to order one. For now, I want to thank you for watching, consider subscribing to this channel and leave a like at this video as well. Have a nice day!